In this video, we will guide you through how to scale a GUI for all devices in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Roblox Studio and load into your project. If your GUI looks cut off or not properly aligned on different screens, this method will fix that. On the top menu, just go to Home and just go ahead and click on Toolbox. And now you can see the toolbox will now appear, and now you can just go to the creator store and click on the three horizontal line and set the categories to plugin. Just click on plugin, and now in the search bar just go ahead and type the following. Just type auto scale and make sure it is spelled exactly like this and hit enter. And now you will see auto scale, so just go ahead and click on auto scale. And now just click on install and make sure you install this particular plugin. And now once that it is added, just go to your plugins tab. Now just click on the tool called unit conversion that comes with auto scale plugin. And now here you will see position and size. Just set both position and size to scale just like so. And now once both position and size are converted to scale, your GUI will automatically adjust to different screen sizes. So I'm just gonna go to settings and go to device emulation and now choose any device. So let's say I want to go with something like iPhone, and now you can see the UI stays properly aligned and no longer gets cut off. And that's it. That's how you use Scale GUI for all devices in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.